Today, I wanted to talk about how short, how precious, and how fragile life is. I've been working part-time for an organization called the Root Foundation, and they primarily serve palliative care patients. So, people with chronic illnesses, with terminal illnesses, and I've met some patients in the past few months of working with them, and it's heartbreaking and also somehow eye-opening that some people with a certain condition can, still smile, they can still laugh despite what they're going through. And isa sa pinaka-memorable sa akin is I met a 20-year-old with a condition na ang result ng condition niya is bedridden na siya. So, nung nakikipagkwentuhan ako sa kanya, nagjo-joke ako with him, natanong ko siya, anong dream mo? Tapos ang sagot niya, gusto niya lang makalakad. Something so simple, something that I can do effortlessly. Tapos yun yung pangarap niya. Gusto niyang makalakad. So parang, sabi ko lang, napapray lang ako for him na Lord, walang imposible sa'yo. Kaya mo siyang bigyan ng miracle na makalakad siya. And naalala ko rin yung meeting all these patients and being exposed to certain illnesses also, or certain parang conditions na shocks, may mga ganito palang sakit. Naalala ko yung Psalm 90 verse 12 where it says, "So teach us to number our days that we may get a heart of wisdom." Na Lord, teach us to live our lives well so that we can do it for your glory, so that we can do it with joy, with hope. And ang prayer ko din para sa mga patients is nasa verse 15 where it says, "Make us glad for as many days as you have afflicted us." Na even in their situation, I know that God can still bless them with joy, with love, and with hope. And ayun lang, life is short. Let's live it well.